Okay, folks, we are going to watch Irene get the shit stung out of herself. We are live, 4:26, 11:04 a.m. Get her done, Irene. Bzz, bzz, bzz.
I am, Bill. I don't think you want to be standing that close.
If I get stung, Irene gets a butt whooping.
Yeah, that seems to work. Lip on that.
Irene, don't do that. Oh, you just dropped them all. Go to the outside of it.
There was no lip to get under it, Bill.
God, I'm gonna have to go do this for her.
Okay, I got it. Get back.
By the way, I am not in a bee suit. Oh, son of a bitch. There they are. Oh, son of a bitch. Irene, close that shit up. Where's that bitch at?
Queen looks fine.
Fuck me. Excuse my language. That's 10,000 bees. I'm about to get stung. Somebody's getting a butt whooping. You should have practiced this. You want my, Leatherman? The bee lady. She's just buzzing around.
So I just installed the sugar cork on the queen cage. She looks good. And now we're fixing to dump all of the bees into the hive.
Is she pregnant? I really think you should use this Leatherman. How you gonna dump them? Jesus Christ, they're swarming everywhere. Oh, they're mad at you. They're attacking you.
So at that point, you gotta wait for the bees to start climbing up on the frames so you don't squish them. Okay, I'm confused.
Put the rest of them in there.
Huh?
Put the rest of the things in there and close it up.
I have to get the queen set in here first, Bill, and I don't see how it's supposed to go.
Put that on the side of the frame. Why are you putting it up and down like that?
I don't see how it's gonna sit in there, Bill.
Irene, set it on the side of the frame. The sidewall. Not the damn things, the sidewall. Under.
Here?
Yeah.
But it won't stay, and then that's too big of a hole.
Push them all together and put them back in there and they'll get to her. Put that in the middle. Yeah, like that. Irene, I'm getting swarmed on. Hurry up.
Then go away.
Now just put that in the middle or put it in the hole itself with the top on it. There you go. You should slide that to the middle instead of the end.
What, the queen?
Yeah.
Shit.
What?
I forgot this.
What is that?
This is a pollen patty.
Where does it go?
Right under the lid, sitting on top of the frames.
Pick that up, let me see what you did. I didn't get on video. Okay. Now that we run, you got a lot of bees on you.
That is sugar water. It helps them to build their wax combs.
You got a lot of bees on you.
I know.
Got a pack of them on top of your hat. Just shake it off, Irene. Come. Oh, I was going to say, because you got a lot on you, especially at the top of your hat. You want me to come smack you in the head? I can help. Let me smack you in the head. Oh, that's just. You didn't need to walk toward me to do that shit. Them's bees. You still got some on your back. Now they're getting. It's that bright color you got on. They're just coming back at you. They're mad at you.
Still got a lot?
Not a lot, but a few, yeah. No, you got about 3 or 4.
Where? On my back?
One right there.
Just swat them off a little bit.
I'm swatting. You got something. They wouldn't get on you if you take that white thing off.
Is that it?
No, there's one more on your hat. Just take it off. They're landing on that white, that bright color. You got one on you, that's it. He's hanging on.
Weird.
Well, if you'd be still, you got more flying towards you now. It's that white shit you got. Take it off. Okay, we're leaving now?
Yep.
If I feel one thing crawling on me,